Hey friends, if you wish to disable inactive scrolling in Windows, then please watch this video. Now, this is a very disturbing feature. So if this page is idle for a very long time and I start moving it, it will actually scroll through the page. Now, here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Bluetooth and devices tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select mouse. There is a feature here which says scroll inactive windows when hovering over them. Turn this off, so this will stop the hovering process, and it will save you a lot of irritation. I mean, it is very irritating when these things happen. So this is all you need to do. And if you wish to reactivate it, obviously go back to the same page and you can turn it on easily. This will reactivate the feature where it scrolls inactive windows when you're hovering over them. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.